how to create a Discord server invite link. Now, first thing we need to do is go and load up the Discord app, either on your mobile or your computer, and then over in the left-hand side, you'll see all of your different servers. So just go and select the server you want to create the link for. You can then click on your server name at the top, left-hand side, and click on Invite People. Now, at the bottom of this page, click on Edit Invite Link. Now, there'll be a few different options here, so click on the drop-down next to Expire After, and you can set an expiry date for this link. So you can either create a temporary link, and then you can go and set a time limit before the link expires, or you can just set this to never, and this will create a permanent link to your server. Click on the drop-down next to Max Number of Uses. And once again, you can create a restriction for how many people can use this link, or you can select No Limit to make this permanent. You can decide whether the people that use this link are just temporary members in your Discord server. That means that once they've disconnected, they'll automatically be kicked. I'm just going to leave this unchecked and then press Generate a New Link. Now, in order to actually get the link, just click on this copy button at the bottom. If you want to see this link, you can open up your Start menu and you can go and open up an app like Notepad. You can then just paste in the link that we just copied. And as you can see, this is our Discord server invite link. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.